We're going to call this the Tuesday $9.99 collection. What a great group of fabrics, and they're just gorgeous. Let me show them to you. So this is a gray. Gray is our basic for spring. It's beautiful. Be great for, I think, a jacket. I think slacks would be too light, but I think a jacket would be really nice. It's a poly cotton blend, 60 inches wide. It is no stretch. It's just a woven fabric, but it's a great color, great base jacket. And then we put with it this pinstripe. These are all from Theory. We put with it this pinstripe. It's a little bit wine orange colored, but it's really pretty. It really brings the basic to the contemporary level of this spring. This is also a stretch. This is a stretch woven. It has stretch in one direction, and it's a poly cotton also. This is a poly rayon, this wine knit that goes with it. This is just beautiful. It's really beautiful. The drape is just incredible. The feel is incredible. Has stretch in both directions. Just lovely. It's really pretty, and it just blends so beautifully with this wine. Then we have, if you decided to do pants, top, jacket, that's a great combination. Then this is definitely pants or jacket. This is 100% cotton. It is also a stretch woven, has stretch in one direction. You know, it's not either. Well, it sort of is. Light stretch, how's that? But it's a twill. Really resembles a denim, except that denim is two colors and this is one color. So great pair of pants, great jacket, either one. Beautiful stripes. Stripes continue to be everywhere. They're probably designers' favorite fabrics. I guess you can just do so much with them. This is 100% cotton. It has stretch in both directions. Isn't that beautiful? Great drape. Great drape. And this is probably, I'm not allowed to say this, but my favorite. This is 100% cotton. It is so soft. This is from Theory. Oh my goodness. This is a very, very fine, like a pinwheel corduroy. It is a stretch woven. It has a slight stretch in one direction, but this corduroy just, oh, it's soft and rich. You wouldn't even know it's a corduroy except you looked right on it. It's really, really beautiful. 100% cotton, and you could really do anything with it. It's probably a little light for pants, but a jacket, a blouse would be really, really nice. So all $9.99 today. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.